Today we are at a lookout. Speeds. I am here with the family, and we're just looking over some pretty things. Like, look. It's crazy. Oh my god. Like, we're so high up. I wonder how high we are up. We're not that far down from the ground part, but we are really far down, or far up. Far up, I should say. So cold up here. Heather gave up. There's little Lillian. But like, supposed to be the highest mountain of the Mississippi River or something like that.
Sis,
I don't know.
use my goggles.
You're on video. I'm not taking a picture of you. You're on a video.
I don't want to go on a video.
Oh, I'm sorry. Too bad. Oh my god, this is crazy. Like, oh, what's like, it's kind of like unrealistic. That's a real thing. How crazy this is. Like, what? I don't know what that thing's supposed to be, but
Hey, Sissy, you want to try my goggles out?
I'm good.
Okay.
Maybe I can let the camera see. Let me see. I don't know if it's gonna work, but yeah, it works. Just about.
Are they going all the way back down?
Here, buddy. It worked. What?
Are they going all the way back down?
I don't know what we're doing. I'm just gonna sit right here. I'm making a video. Hi. Hi. Fancy pants. You're so colorful today. It's just like beautiful. Taking pictures while I'm doing